Another myth about us feminists is that we hate men. As I've said earlier, feminists do not hate men. We are against patriarchy, male domination, and the maleness in men and in those women who might imbibe similar behavior patterns, which is expressed as domination, aggression, violence, etc. We are against the patriarchal system and patriarchal ideology that considers men to be superior and gives more rights to men. But all systems are perpetuated by human beings. The system does not rape or batter a woman. A man does. The system does not withhold property from daughters. A father or a mother does. Therefore, we are against men who do not accept women as their equals, who treat women as their property, or view them only as commodities for their use. However, we believe that just as women are not naturally more caring and nurturing, men are not naturally aggressive and domineering. Men are as much victims of their own upbringing and conditioning by society as women are, and as trapped in the images and roles that society has determined for them. Our problem is that most men do not appear to recognize this, and few want to struggle to liberate themselves into becoming more human and fully and truly democratic. Moreover, any move by women to help them recognize this is considered antagonistic by some men. We feminists are also equally critical of women who protect, support, or justify patriarchy, or who are dictatorial, undemocratic, controlling, and aggressive. All of us know that there are men and women in both camps. Many men are today examining their own masculinity, their rights and behavior patterns. For the first time, masculinity, male power, male sexuality, male knowledge systems, male war games are on the table for critical examination. And the examiners are both men and women. I think this is a very positive development. Therefore, it is both simplistic and wrong to think that in the fight for gender equality, feminist women hate men. The fight is between two belief systems and ideologies. The fight is between those who wish to maintain patriarchy and gender hierarchies and other hierarchies like caste, class, race, north-south, and those who want all hierarchies to be removed and to be replaced by equality. And on both sides, as I have said, there are men and women.